Tonight we have with us to present the Film Editing Award, Miss Constance Smith.
He was a major star. Like, it's just heady stuff when you're living in a fucking slum. You know?
In the chaigh bhí sí an mór mar réaltóg, bhí sí llúdach moviegoer, magazine, agus screen, agus mar sin de.
Hollywood is a party by invitation only. And you can go there and you can try and gate crash. But, you know, that's up to you. You've got to be a good gate crasher to gate crash it.
Say oui, oui.
Ní rá a bhac irtí ach Constance í hain. Ban neamhspleách tomáinte a bhí inti tréithe nár heastig ó tionscal na Scáileán. Agus díoch sí go déir as an bheom neamhspleách sin.
Is cinnte go gcruchaí an tionscal seo casualties.
She was very independently minded, and that's probably one of the things you have to admire about her. In some ways, it led to her downfall.
Give him a caffeine hypo.
If you come to Hollywood, it will lay bare your insecurities, lay bare your vulnerabilities. And obviously this contributed to her emotional makeup.
Scéal muintear Hollywood lé, agus thosaigh a Scéal a titim as a chéile. Scéal buailte ag crá crí agus édóchas.
She was being pushed into this role that I'm not sure she even wanted. She might be the happiest person. She might still be alive today if she could have done what she wanted, as opposed to being forced to be this star.
Aisteoir atá i Scéal Constance Smith. Aisteoir ó léanda iontacha an réalta Scáileán go Scéal gan omrá. Hit a Scéal amach nós Tragóid Hollywood.